Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to plug a car battery. Before starting, prioritize safety. Always wear protective eyewear and gloves to prevent injury. Make sure your vehicle is completely off and the parking brake is set. Have your wrench and a battery terminal brush ready for a smooth process. This preparation ensures a safe and effective battery connection. Now, let's connect the positive terminal. First, identify the positive terminal on your battery. It often has a plus sign. Use your terminal brush to clean both the battery post and the cable clamp. A clean connection is crucial for proper power flow. Securely attach the positive cable clamp to the positive terminal, ensuring a tight fit. This step is vital for a strong electrical circuit. Next, we move to the negative terminal. Find the negative terminal on your battery, which usually has a minus sign. Just like with the positive side, clean the negative battery post and the cable clamp thoroughly. A clean surface prevents resistance and ensures efficient power transfer. Firmly attach the negative cable clamp to the negative terminal. Double-check both connections for tightness. With both terminals connected, perform a final check. Make sure both the positive and negative cable clamps are tight and secure on their respective terminals. Visually inspect the area to ensure no tools or debris are left near the battery or engine. Once everything looks good, you can safely attempt to start your car. Congratulations, you've successfully plugged in your car battery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.